Welcome to my channel, iGallery. The battery replacement procedure for the 41mm Series 7 Apple Watch differs slightly from the 45mm version. This guide shows how to replace the battery for both sizes. Place the edge of a curved blade into the thin gap between the display and the outer case. Start at the short side of the display, most distant to the digital crown. Once inserted, tilt the blade to pry the display open slightly and create a gap between the screen and the watch body. Insert an opening pick between watch body and the long edge of the battery. Use constant, steady pressure to slowly pry up the battery. The battery flex cable is long enough to allow you to place the battery outside the watch housing, but avoid straining or folding the cable sharply when you lift the battery out of its reach. Use a pair of tweezers to peel the black protective tape off the ZIF connector. Make sure to only peel the tape off the connector, but avoid to remove it completely. Otherwise, you have to replace the tape during reassembly. Use one arm of your tweezers or the pointed end of a spudger to pry up the lock bar on the ZIF connector securing the battery cable. Use a pair of tweezers to pull the battery cable out of the battery ZIF connector. During reassembly, make sure to push the cable all the way back into the ZIF connector before locking the IT. Reapply the black tape on top of the connector to secure the battery cable or replace it with new one. Otherwise, the battery cable may slip out of the connector and your watch won't turn on. Clean in detail around the watch frame with alcohol and cotton or with brush to ensure that no dust or any old glue left behind. This is most important step. Doing this helps to place the screen back in shape and won't damage the LCD. Do not reuse the battery if it has been deformed or damaged, as doing so is a potential safety hazard. Replace it with a new battery. If you're reusing your old battery, you can reuse the existing adhesive to secure the battery during reassembly. Secure a new battery with pre-cut adhesive or double-sided adhesive tape. In order to position it correctly, apply the new adhesive into the device at the places where the old adhesive was located, not directly onto the battery. Press the new battery firmly into place. During reassembly, apply new adhesive where necessary after cleaning the relevant areas with isopropyl alcohol greater than 90%. Assemble back the screen. Beware not to damage the screen flex. Clip it back to watch as shown in the image, and ensure the glued tape and taped correctly. All function of the screen is working well. Now let's glue it back. Use a proper glue to glue it to ensure water resistance. Here we use B7000 glue transparent one. Use a fiber cloth and a good cleaner to clean the excess glue from the watch. Here we have used Falcon 530 cleaner. Use a clamper to clamp the watch firmly and let it dry for a few hours. Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching.